Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. I'm here many hours a day, 10 hours a day in the studio, and I'm here for you. Everything you see here now is real, genuine. This is my real money, all my real money, and this has been my journey while I've been investing and trading in front of the whole world to grow and become financially independent when I retire. And we share everything with everybody. We are joined every day by angel investors. We have secret millionaires who join us. This is our TV studio. I was voted World Piano Man, and I do live songs and music throughout the show. We're actually live to you now on multiple platforms, over 20 platforms at the same time. So if I turn to the right, I welcome all my guests over on TikTok. They're looking at the big screen that you were just looking at some moments ago here to my left. And we're also here this morning on Facebook pages, Facebook groups, multiple websites, and Twitch, Instagram, Twitter. We're live everywhere. We're live all around the world. Welcome, everybody. Let's get into our trades. Have we hit bottom? We've got 12 days to go before and 23 hours and 57 minutes a run along the bottom of here to our 1 year birthday. The Day Trader will be 1 year old. Not me personally, but the channel will be 1 year old. Obviously, I look a lot older than one. Someone did ask me that once, and I was surprised. Anyway, let's get straight into the show. Who's here first this morning? Pre-show. We had Moe Miller, and then Paul, Dexter Sickles, Mike. But the first person into the live show, here he is Darren Cromrie. He joined for the first time yesterday. Welcome as a guest to the family. He's not a member at the moment. He's a guest, and we welcome you here. Paul, who is one of our members, and your badge will be turning gold soon, as you've soon been a member for 3 months. Great stuff. I predict that my net worth will either go down, stay the same, or increase today. Do you know what? I agree with that wholly. I think you're absolutely right. In fact, you know what? I'll go further. I will say to you, I know you're right. How do you know a millionaire if they keep it secret? Exactly. Oh, how do you know if a millionaire? Secret millionaires. Okay, because they're millionaires to me. They're secret to you. I've got people that are on my channel that I know, I talk to, that are here to help and support people. And they are secret millionaires to you, but they're millionaires to me. All right, Mike, and here he is. Good morning to Mike. Welcome. Let's go through all our stocks right now. But first of all, click subscribe and ring the bell if you've not done it before. Make sure that you've hit the bell and set it to all. If you don't get notified when I bring out breaking news, it's because you've not rung the bell, and you can turn that on. What does that actually mean? It means this. I'll show you very quickly. Some people don't know. Click subscribe. There it is. I'll show you on the screen. Watch the little video. There you go. See the little bell just there? There you go. You set it to all. If you've not done that, you can go and check you've not done that, and that way you'll be notified about breaking news. I'll turn it off. Then I'll turn it back on again, and you can actually see the difference. There you go. That's how that works. All right. Very simple. That's what that's all about. All right, and then give the video, every video you watch, give it a thumbs up. Why? Because it helps us grow, and it helps to suggest the video to more people like you. All right, so if you think you're a good person, you think somebody else like you might want to watch the show, give it a thumbs up. That's all it does. It tells the algorithm that you approve this message, if you like. All right, let's go through the stocks. Are we going to have a green day today? Started up, so have we reached the bottom? I brought out a bear video last night. We are in a bear market, but what follows a bear market? A bull market. Vanguard S&P is up 0.67 this morning. There we go. Down 5.73 in total on this one. I bought some more. Virgin Galactic up 1.24. What an opportunity to buy right now. What an opportunity to buy right now. But I'm not buying anymore. I'm fully invested. Got no more money on the side. Can't just keep pumping it in. So there we go. Virgin Orbit is up 0.36 this morning. Tesla is up 1%, down 7.89. Let's look at Rivian. Rivian is up 1.08, down 0.86. This is time to get some more if you want some more Rivian. Lucid, 1.84. Remember, though, it's diversity and balance of your portfolio that will survive a bear market. Arrival is up 3.79. Amazon is up 1.4 this morning. Still down 15% on Amazon. Wow. Apple is up 1%. Robinhood down 1.52. Down 20% now on Robinhood. Look at that. Incredible. Who'd have thought it? McDonald's is flat right now. Coca-Cola is up 0.15. Johnson & Johnson is flat this morning. Google is up 0.54. Microsoft is up 0.76. Meta is up 1.38. SoFi 1.96. IonQ is up 177. 15% down. You're never going to see these prices again, I don't think. PayPal up 119, down 5%. Rolls-Royce is down 3.57. Walmart is up 0.13. Mr. Clockwork, today could be a good day. Let's hope so, eh? Fed don't want to market to go down more, so they're not going to raise rates. Well, let's hope so. Well, on the other hand, you need to raise rates to bring inflation down, so it's a balance, right? Paul B, yo, Mohammed, good morning. Mike, good morning. I don't know anyone will buy today with Fed meeting tomorrow. Exactly. Target is up 0.38. Tesco is down 0.281. Canoe is up 4.68. On is up 0.59. IPOF, I'm out of this one now. I can close that out. There we go. Tilray Brands is up 1.6. I'm down 26%. Ginkgo Bioworks up 4.2. I'm down 22%. Open Door is up 1.59. Enphase is up 1.38. Joby is up 1.66. GSK 1.44. Mark Forge, I'm up 3%. Now we come on to our crypto. BSV is my biggest position in crypto right now. I'm down. It's down 4.5% today. Bitcoin, BTC is up 1.55. It goes backwards and forwards. Ethereum is up 4%. There we go. Insiders will buy with the Fed meeting coming tomorrow. Insiders will buy with the Fed meeting tomorrow. There you go. I think the Fed will save the market. Well, let's see what happens. There you go. So there's a full rundown of my portfolio. Everything I have. All right. So let me now go over to, first of all, I want to thank my 13 followers now who have prepared to follow my Kickstarter campaign, which starts as soon as I will pull the pin on this one as soon as I feel we've got enough followers and it's busy enough, because the target is to raise the funds I need in 1 hour. That way we'll go viral on Kickstarter, and we'll also then get promoted by Kickstarter, which will drive the channel. So the idea is to get funded in 1 hour. So what you do on Kickstarter, you get as many people to follow you, get engaged, promote it before you pull the pin. And then when you pull the pin, you go. That's what it's all about. So here's the Kickstarter. If you've not yet signed up for Kickstarter, or you've not followed me yet, I've got 13 of my top fans there ready to go. It's to fund a trip to a film to the UK to film Virgin Orbit. Now, I've raised most of the money myself, family and friends and savings. This is just what I need to finish the project. I can't go any deeper. I need some support. So to make the movie, there it is. If you want to be involved, my backers will be with me on the show. They'll be live from the event. All sorts of benefits for my backers. All right, fantastic. Vanguard S&P is up 0.71, looking good at the moment. Virgin Galactic is up 1.59. I'm down 16%, an average of 575. Mine is $1 more than that. But you might go, well, why don't you buy more? I haven't got any more money, right? I've got a low average now. You might go, well, it's 575. But it could go further. It could go down further. The point is, though, I might have an average of 687, which is here, but I'm looking for a stock that's going to be worth $100. Doesn't matter if it's 5 or 6, right? The upside to 100 is what it's all about. So I don't need to buy any more. I've got 1,500 shares. I don't need any more. 17% of my portfolio. I don't need any more. Virgin Orbit. Let's bring some of these messages in this morning. We've got Peru. Our angel investor, good morning. Good morning, good people. Crypto will crash again. This is just a temporary leg up. Top BTC wallet addresses are selling. We posted that this morning on Twitter. Let me share the post with you. This was what went out this morning on Twitter. Look at this. Let me share with you the information here. This was a post I shared this morning. What's going on with the wallet number 1 at the top? You need to click on the picture to get the whole view. Right, there you go. Wallet number 1. And you will see, look, BTC. 35,000 BTC. Now you can see it. A lot of BTC being transferred and sold today. Okay, this is the post I put on. If you like that, message, if you want to share that, I would much appreciate it. Let me give you my Twitter handle, and you could go and retweet it. And if you retweet it, it shares that information, but it also promotes our channel here. So I'd much appreciate if you would retweet my posts. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you to my researchers keeping me up to date with all the information. So there it is on Twitter. All right. I play Call on Spy Friday is going near 400. Mohammed Tamir, welcome to you, Mohammed. Thanks for your information. Paul, I have bet on Golden Pal in the 1540 at Ascot. Good luck, Paul. Good luck. Why should the Fed keep bailing out the market and yet pile more debt on their balance sheet, only to line the pockets of fat cats who screw the market anyway? It's a very good point. Very good point. Let's hear from our traders this morning. Here's Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Alex Hunt is here this morning. Nudge it, budget, move it.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
And this is Dr. Nathan Smith. Dr. Nathan Smith, we've not yet had you in calling in and say hello to our guests, and that's how I can record those little clips. Dr. Nathan Smith, you are most certainly a member. Your badge is now gold. You've been a member now for a long time. Let me give you the Discord. I don't know if you're already on Discord, but the broadcast lounge is open right now. You can call in. If you can't see the channel, it's because we've not added you yet as a member to Discord. There's a Discord in the chat. Come on over to Discord and call in. This is what you will see when you come into Discord. Let me share with you what you see. This is what you will see on Discord. If you're a non-member, you will see, and at the moment you may be, if you've not used it before, you will see all the public open to all channels. But as a member, a day trader, YouTube member, I can turn on all these channels, and you can also have your own if you're a silver member. And then you can scroll to the bottom, and in broadcast, there it is. Look, the broadcast lounge is now open, and you can call in to the show and have your say. And I'd love you to call in. It'd be great to wish everybody well and so on and so forth. So there we go. Fed is going to save the market. Again, they got no choice. That's where the world works, right? Well, let's see what happens. In my opinion, the Fed will crash crypto more and issue the digital dollar. There we go. That'll be interesting. So, at the moment, we are pumping up. I hope you're right, Mohammed. We certainly want the markets to go up, don't we? Absolutely. Up 0.89 on the VU this morning. Over there on hi there from Malaysia. We are live with you on YouTube. If you want to be part of the main trading show, this is where our serious traders are. Our serious traders are not on TikTok. Most people on TikTok are scrolling through looking for ladies to jiggle about and stuff. Well, we don't do that here. What we do, we use TikTok to promote our YouTube channel where our angel investors, secret millionaires are. That's where we're trading this morning. The link's in the profile right here, just in there. It's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The Day Trader 1. Links are all in the profile if you wish to click it that way. Come and join us. Thanks for the follow. Be very, very wary of people on TikTok pretending to be me. They're not me. I'm actually the only real Martyn Lucas, the Day Trader, and you can tell that I'm the real one, because one, I never ask for your WhatsApp. Two, I never ask for your Telegram. I don't want anything from you other than your company. We're joined every day by secret millionaires and angel investors, and we give free money away, not to lazy people, we discuss that a lot, but to people that want to grow their wealth and want to do something about it. And I give away free money all the time, my own money. Better than Mr. Beast, it's my own money. And so join us on youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. Links are in the profile. Come and join us. That's where we are right now. All right, back to my YouTubers. Let me welcome as well this morning. We have our guests over there on Twitch. We have 49 followers over on Twitch. We need one more. We lost one yesterday to be an affiliate. So if you'd like to support me on Twitch, please do. I just need one more follower. Okay, let me give you the Twitch. Should you wish to support me, the purpose of all these other channels is to grow the channel here on YouTube. That's why we do this. That's the purpose of this all the time. Mike is over there. Thank you very much indeed, and lovely to have you here. I want to welcome our friends on VK as well. We've gone live in VK now. Another platform that we are on, at least I think we're on. An error occurred during loading. Please try again. Maybe we're not. Maybe it's not working. Who knows? Looks like it's working. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. No, I don't think we're getting a broadcast over there. All right, never mind. All right. Okay, fantastic. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, let us know you're here. That'd be absolutely fantastic if you wouldn't mind doing that. Long the like button, Mr. Clock. Mr. Clockwork. All right, fantastic. Here we go. So, Virgin Galactic is up 2.47 this morning. What a pump that is this morning. But be wary. It could be a pump and dump and drop back down again. Simple as that. So I'm not buying anything at the moment. I'm holding everything. I'm enjoying the fact we're green this morning. It does look nice. Up 4.55. Amazon. Remember, in a bear market, you get bull rallies. You do get rallies that will pump up. Just because we're in a bear market officially now doesn't mean to say we're not going to have green days. Things could start turning around. Robinhood is now down 0.83, still going down today. McDonald's is up. Coca-Cola is up. Johnson & Johnson is up. Looking good, looking good. Green day today, let's hope so. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Lovely. Okay, do you want 1,000 likes? We often get 10,000 likes on TikTok, and I can see someone is trying to scam me on TikTok, saying if I click here and pay somebody some money, I don't need to. I've got an army of people that support the channel, real people that support and like my channel, so I don't need you to offer me some scam nonsense. Yes, was Bloodbath, but I did pick up some ETH. I'm not in much ETH anymore. I have to be honest. Dr. Smith, not really into it much right now. I think we're about to see all crypto go down. I have got more BSV. I do like that, but everything else, I've lost faith in it. I've lost faith in it because the very, very people that promoted it are the very same people that are now selling it, who told you never to sell. I showed you this morning. I put it on Twitter. There's a big wallet which is selling a huge amount of Bitcoin. And we know Michael Saylor moved some Bitcoin yesterday. So I'm not really a great believer right now, I have to say. I think we've been clearly manipulated and lied to by several of the big whales. I do feel it's greed and manipulation has taken over the crypto market. We saw what happened yesterday to Celsius. We know what happened to Luna. All these things that said they had liquidity, they had protection, and they dumped all over their customers. I think it's terrible. Self. And it's why I've always argued we only need one crypto asset. People have said that will never happen because we live in a world of greed, but it should have. If the purpose of a crypto asset was to, make the world a simpler place, decentralize, give people a way to send money around the world, which is free, easy to do, quick, fast, breaks down all borders, then all we'd need is one global currency. That's all we'd need. If that was what we really was trying to aim for, but all that happens is people wake up, see, oh look, everybody's interested in crypto. I can do that program. I can invent one, and I can make some money. And it's again the same thing. Everyone's thinking about themselves, which is the opposite of what this channel does. They think about themselves, and I'm going to invent a crypto. I mean, I could do it. I'm sure there's people in this channel here who could help me write the code and have a Martyn Lucas coin. And all I could ever do is promote it and tell everybody it's the best thing in the world. It's the base. It's going to be the same as everybody else's. It's just a different name. And I want you all to buy mine and tell you that I've got plenty of money in the bank to cover all the transactions. And then I haven't. And then I change my mind. No, I don't want to be that person. And I feel quite disgusted by the amount of scam coins there are that exist that people buy and think they're going to become millionaires. Essentially, tapping into the fact that people are lazy and tapping into the fact that people want to buy something for. It's why Shiba Inu and all these coins are so cheap. People go, wow, I can buy 1 million Shiba Inus and I'm going to be a billionaire for doing nothing. And then when it all goes to zero. We only need one crypto asset. Absolutely ridiculous. Crypto would be dead. Simple as that. Why? Why, Paul? Why do we only need one crypto asset? Surely the point would be that is the point. Everyone sells. I mean, you tell me why we need multiple. Because if we need multiple, what is the point? We've got multiple now. We've got multiple currencies in the world now. Every country has its own currency, its own money. And that's the problem, right? You've got to exchange money, you've got to convert money, you've got to send money to one system to another, there's expenses involved. The purpose is everybody has an app on their phone, has their digital currency, and sends it around the world. That's it. I agree with you. I'm sticking with Bit and Ethereum. There we go. Dr. Nathan Smith. That's why I've got Ethereum, BTC, and BSV. BSV's Bitcoin. We've argued, is it the real Bitcoin? And many of us believe that it is. I'm impartial because I don't want to be promoting any stock or any asset. It's not what I do. I just invest in what I believe, and you can judge me from that. I've got 11 BSV. There it is on the screen. One internet equals global blockchain. One internet equals global blockchain. There we go. Doesn't that make more sense? It seems to me, and forgive it, and tell me if I'm wrong, but it seems to me the only reason why you disagree with me and say, no, we need 100 different cryptocurrencies is because you have them all and you want to promote them all. I don't know. One protocol for all, I totally agree. There's one internet, right? One internet. Are we all using different internets, or are we all using the same internet? Seems to make sense. We all breathe the same air. We all have the same sunshine. We all have the same rain. There's not multiple rains, is there? Multiple suns. This is what Paul B says, because different coins do different things. But a real crypto asset, a real digital currency should be able to do everything. The internet can do everything, innit? If I want to go on YouTube, I need X internet. If I want to go on Facebook, I need this internet. So buy my internet. My internet's better than your internet. On my internet, that sounds like a TV channel. You know, like we've got Netflix, we've got Hulu, we've got Amazon, we've got this, we've got that. How many people are sick and tired of turning on their TV at night? They want to watch a film, and it's not on the network they're on, it's on another app, and another app. How many people are sick of it? I am sick of it. I won't do it anymore. I've got Amazon, I've got Apple TV, I've got Netflix, I've got, bloody hell, I've got about 6 or 7. And if a film comes up and it's on another network, download the app, create a password. What do? Delete. I don't want to watch the film. Sod it. I'm not interested. We keep coming up with another network. You go on the internet, you watch YouTube, you watch Facebook, you watch everything. Every single channel is on the internet. So Paul B's argument is because different coins do different things. Utilities start transactions, speed, staking, rewards. Each has a different usability and cannot just have one. XRP is different to BTC, for example. Well, it shouldn't be. If it's digital, it should be able to handle everything. If it's a real thing and not made by a scammer, if it's a real thing and it really benefits the world, it should do everything. It should be payment. It should be investment. It should be transactionable. It should be everything. Otherwise, it's rubbish. It's rubbish. I mean, you tuned into the internet today and I do everything you need to do. Right? I don't split myself up and go, well, if you want the other part of me, you've got to go over here and pay for this. It's one strong Bitcoin is best. I agree with that. One strong Bitcoin is best. Does it all? Do you really believe that Satoshi created BTC? Do you really believe that Satoshi created BTC? Well, Satoshi is the name he used. Is it called a pseudonym? Whatever you call it, the alias. Somebody created it, and many people believe that was Craig Wright. I don't share my view either way, or one way or the other. I pose the arguments. I pose the conversation. In order to evolve, crypto needs competitors. I don't agree with that. We didn't have different versions of the internet, did we? The internet just was invented and just got better. Don't other people tell you this or that, please. With an open mind, look into it. Thank you. Don't let other people tell you this or that, please. With an open mind, look into it. Look into what, Mo? Good morning, all. Queen herself, Brady. Not all crypto is meant to be used as currency. Well, I guess it's the same as having a checking account and a savings account, right? You might have Bitcoin A for spending and Bitcoin B for investing. I can argue that's a good idea. But surely digital currency has the intelligence to be whatever it needs to be, rather than having to be, well, if you're in my network and you join my club, I do this. And if you're in this club, you do this. That confuses everybody. This is the problem. This is the crux of it, right? The reason why we have got crypto crashing right now, and I'm going to speak now for the billions of people like me, who do not fully understand all the ins and the outs of everything. And that's most people on the planet, if they're honest, right? The reason why BSV is down today, the reason why Bitcoin was down yesterday, up today, is because the billions of people in the world do not fully understand. And that's the trouble, because it's surrounded by corruption and greed and confusion. And if that was taken away, if people stopped fighting each other and trying to sell their own thing, people are not stupid. They think, I'm not interested in this, and they don't get it, and they want to get it. That way, you're missing out on the opportunity to sell it to the world. You're missing the opportunity to promote something you really believe is a good thing, because everyone's promoting their own thing. So on this channel, what we try to do is open it all up. And I've invited some of the biggest players in BSV and BTC to join me together for the first time, come together. Not just all BSV people and all Ethereum people and all Bitcoin, BTC people, all in different rooms on different conferences, shouting about their own thing, to come together because the truth will out. And I'm having difficulty getting them all to agree to come together. They don't want to. And that looks scammy to the world. Why not? If you believe that you're telling the truth, why can't you sit down in a room with somebody else? I'd sit down in a room with anyone. And I'd learn from anyone. But few people yet have taken me up on my offer to come together. And that just tells you everyone's afraid to be honest. Hang on, let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Paul B said, it's all about competition and you're clear working at this from wrong angle and clear need to educate more on other projects than two of the pants ones you've bought. Yeah, well, there you go. Paul B is kind of right. There will be only one Bitcoin, which is BSV. However, different blockchain, alternative blockchain, will try to compete in the future, just like a phone, Apple and Samsung. But hang on a minute. You're talking about different phone companies. All right, okay. Is there anybody in this show right now, honestly, tell me the truth, honestly, you believe it's a good thing that there are thousands of different companies? Honestly, do you really think that's good for the customer? No. If there was one mobile cell phone, everybody would have signal and it would work all around the world. You get Vodafone, doesn't work over here. You get Cellnet, doesn't work over here. You get T-Mobile, doesn't work here. EE, doesn't work here. Mobile doesn't work properly either. Well, Elon Musk is sorting that with Globalstar, with the Global Sat, what's it called? Whatever the name of it is now. SpaceX's Virgin, or whatever it's called. I forget the name of it now. But that'll fix the problem. We'll have global internet from Elon Musk. Can anyone honestly tell me it's a good thing that we have thousands of different types of cellulars? Starlink, thank you, Count Chuckler. Starlink. Isn't that what we should be doing with crypto? Elon Musk again knows what's going on. Elon Musk will get it right. Starlink. Everybody in the world will have internet and it will work everywhere. And when he brings out a cell phone to go with his Starlink, he will completely crush everybody else. And I hope he does it. I hope he does it. Seriously, even though I've got shares in Apple, they'll have to buy into it. They'll have to get onto the system because who wants 5,000 different cellular companies? No one. Everybody wants one. Then it works. Again, it's greed. It's, oh, hang on a minute. There's money to be made in cellular. I'm going to set up a cell phone company. And I'm going to have one tower over here, one cell tower. Everybody in this area is going to get a great signal. Over there, you won't get a signal. Could anybody argue with what I'm saying? Different phone companies will say our phone is best. We can say we can't say we just need one company. Yeah, well, I've just debunked that one. There are different versions of the internet. The Chinese one, for example, still uses the same network, doesn't it? Tell me I'm wrong. Crypto is crashing because stocks need to pump. Crypto is crashing because people have got fear and they don't understand it and they're selling it out. And that's the only reason why stocks go up or down. That is like saying years ago the internet is used for videos. It's not used for videos. Darren, I'm not quite sure what you mean there. Paul says billions of people are not invested in crypto. It's around 3 to 5% of the population that own crypto. So you're talking waffle saying it's billions. Hang on. Billions of people are not invested in crypto. It's around 3 to 5% of the population that own crypto. So you're talking waffle saying it's billions. What do you mean? Only 3 to 5% That's what I said. Only 3 to 5%. The majority of the world are not in crypto. That's what I'm saying. The vast majority of the world are not in crypto. Mike says, I don't like... See, Mike's like me. I don't like too many. There we go. If Bitcoin goes under 17,000... This is you're talking about BTC now, right? If BTC goes under 17,000, 500 million plus USD of Celsius Bitcoin will get a margin call and be forcefully liquidated. There we go. Well, we know Michael Saylor's in trouble. Starlink, thank you, Count Truculent. You can't compare these companies to Bitcoin BSV. I'm just trying to compare the principles of life, the principles of people. Without multiple companies, we'd be ripped off because there's no competition. I understand where you're coming from there. BSV has many patterns on many digital issues to protect it from other newcomers. Please look into it. Elon Musk wants Dogecoin to be one coin. There you go. Elon Musk wants there to be one coin. He wants to use Dogecoin. Yeah. It's created a joke. That's why I don't buy Dogecoin. I don't care how good someone tells me it is. It was created as a joke. And I don't think my money is a joke. I don't think my hard-earned money is a joke. I don't want my money to be treated as a joke. All right, if you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. I'm going to put 1 minute on the clock, and I want 20 likes because we've only got 15 likes right now. Everyone's asleep. Right, you ready? 1 minute on the clock, 20 likes. Here we go. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Let's get this show moving. Chiggy, 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 ba, ba. The tea's all gone. All right, 15 likes. I want 20 likes in 38 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get it moving. Over there on TikTok, we've got a great audience this morning. Thanks for all the follows. Wow. Huge day today on TikTok. Getting a huge amount of followers today. Thank you very much indeed. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the likes. Absolutely fantastic. 20 seconds to go. And are you ready? 16. There we go. That'll do. Not too bad. There we go. We got up to 17 likes. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. A little bit low today. Lucid is up 4.55. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. We've got our cash giveaway video coming out later today for our Friday cash giveaway. Nearly every day we give cash away on our show. I'm just talking to my TikTokers right now, and they're watching this big screen here. Let me show you. They're watching this big screen to the left of me. So I'm just talking to my TikTokers, and basically, be very, very wary. On TikTok, there are over 100 scammers now pretending to be me. They're not me, and you know the difference. This is what my TikTokers are looking at, this screen here. You know they're not me because, one, I'm always live. I have nearly 18,000 followers. 2, I never ask for your WhatsApp. I never ask for your Telegram. We have secret millionaires and angel investors who are here who love to help people, educate, support, always there. We make videos for you. We go live all the time, and that's how you know the difference. And also, the scammers on YouTube, on TikTok rather, they never have their name. They always spell my name incorrectly. It's Martyn Lucas, spelled as you see it here. If there's a dot in the middle of it or a Z at the end of it, you know it's not right. If you are a real trader, a real investor, and you actually want to speak to our angel investors, our secret millionaires, you'd like to learn about crypto, stocks, shares, trading, investing, all of that, we are on Discord, and you can get all that information and those links for Discord. Talk to all our people, talk to me off air. It's all on YouTube, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The links are in the profile. Come and join us. We're live there right now. This is our YouTube broadcast right now. Come and join us. I have to say, our serious traders and serious investors are actually on YouTube. They're not on Discord. Discord is just a place for you to discover us. But please come and join us on Discord. On YouTube. I think you prefer the experience. All right. Okay, back to my investors right now. Darren, talking about Handcash. I hope to make a video on Handcash soon. Unfortunately, at the moment, there is a glitch in the app and it's not working fully. So that's why I'm not promoting it or talking about it. I will gladly do it because I've got Handcash account and it works on the web. Basically what happened, there is a glitch in the cache of the phone. I was able to set up I was able to log in because I've already set my account up. That's the problem. I just can't log in on my phone. I was able to create the Handcash app perfectly on another phone that had not yet already been set up, if that makes sense. So I was able to log in on another phone, but the one I originally set it up on, I can't log in. It only wants for me to create a new account. It won't let me log in. And Alex Agut, who is the creator of it, is talking to me on Twitter, and he posted that there was an update coming. They know it's a problem with the cache in the phone, and that's why once you've tried to set it up, it can get stuck, and that's what's happening. And until they fix it, it won't be fully perfect, and I won't talk about it in a way that demonstrates it until it does. You just sent me some, did you? Let me share it with the world then on my browser. It's very kind of you. So it works on the browser, but as yet it's not fully functional on your... There we go. Darren, great show. Thank you, Martyn Lucas. Let me share this with you. All right, let me share this with you. This is handcash.io. And as you can see at the top there, Darren, and Darren has sent me $1 tip, as you can see. Look at that. Fantastic. And it's instant, no fees, straight away, very, very quick. Using BSV, you can transfer it to another wallet, very easy. But I will do an in-depth review of this when the app works perfectly. All right. Okay. Paul B. Alex, hurry up, otherwise this guy keeps running. Well, it's because the reason why I keep saying this, I know this isn't good advertisement for Handcash, but I am committed to reporting the truth. All right. I won't come on. No one's paying me to promote anything. And when somebody does, if somebody wants to sponsor my channel, they can sponsor my channel, but I have to be able to use the app, love the app, and use it myself. And if I can't, I won't take any money to do it because I would lose the integrity of my show. Anybody knows here, if I start talking about something, you know I've used it, I am using it, no one's paid me to use it, and I love it. So you know it's true and honest, and that's what this channel grows on. So Peru saying, Alex, hurry up. Trust me. And when I make a video on it, it'll have a lot of views on it. But the thing is, I won't talk bad of anyone. I won't go on and make a derogatory video. I won't do that. I just won't say it's great until it is. BSV is starting to trend up a little bit at the moment, down 2.49 today. Let's go. Mark Forged is... Oh, hang on a minute. I forgot. We're running out of time. I've got to do a quick commercial break here. This is how I pay my bills. Here comes a little commercial break. It's only 10 seconds long. Skip the ad, come right back. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up soon. So here it is. Here's our quick ad for you. Some of you see it, some of you don't. Trust me, man, I used Handcash app before it was working. It's just a glitch. Update will fix it. Alex did not pay me to say this, just saying. That's fine, and I believe you. I'm not going to ever. And that's another thing. I will never, ever come on here and say something is wrong. I won't run someone down. I just won't talk about it, all right? I'm not interested in doing that. I never leave thumbs down on videos. I never leave a bad comment on something. I just don't. It's not what I do. Coinbase layoff, 18% of workforce. Yeah, Coinbase in trouble right now. Lots of rumors going on around Coinbase. We have all this money to back up our transactions and then we don't. That's what happened yesterday with Celsius. Awful. Still add less here. That's maybe because you're on a... yes, you won't see it on Twitch. You're on Twitch, aren't you? You won't see it on Twitch. This is for YouTubers. You won't see it over there. All right? That's just how it goes. People have to be more positive at all times. Always. I've never understood people who just go around the internet. I get loads of comments every day. People having a go at me. And it's the same lazy people that will never build their own channel. They never do it themselves. They just troll around, leaving negative comments on people's channels, telling them they're idiots and stupid and who do you think you are? And I get it every day. It's what I wake up to every morning. I wake up in the morning to have a cup of tea, to be positive to the world, and all I get is abuse. Along with some nice people, I will say. Majority nice people. But I never do that. If I see something I don't like, I just don't watch it. I don't thumbs down videos. I don't leave negative comments. I just don't like it. Just don't watch it. But there you go. It's easy, isn't it? If you don't like something, don't watch it. Someone out there trying to grow a business. Now, someone out there is trying to scam people, and it's clearly a scam, and they're trying to hurt people. I will warn people of it, but I won't go on their channel and start bad-mouthing them. I just won't watch it or promote it. Because by going on there and watching it, you are promoting it. Even if you leave a negative comment, you're promoting it. Meta is up 1.5. SoFi is up 2% today. IonQ 1.99. Are we getting a bounce this morning? Is it a temporary bounce? Now, look at my main portfolio. We're up now, as you can see, comfortably 1.43. Is this, have we got to the bottom? What does everybody think? Let's have a poll. We had a poll yesterday, and then the markets continued to go down. Let's have a poll today. Have we hit bottom? Let's have a question mark. Let's have a look. Because one day this will turn green, right? One day the majority will say yes. Market is forming a kind of bottom. Mr. Clockwork thinks it's forming a kind of bottom. What do you feel? Do you feel we've hit a bottom? What do you feel? Does that mean you go all in on your margin? I wouldn't do that. I learned that mistake before. Tesla is up 1.49. But you see now, you might go, well, if you love Tesla so much, why aren't you buying these discounts? Well, I have been. That's why my average is 709. I've got 12 shares of Tesla. I started at $1,200. I have been buying the dips. What do you get if you cross a dip with a dip? A dip-de-doo-dah. That's what you get. And we can't go on and on buying dips forever and ever and ever. And that's kind of what happens. Now, you might go, but if you buy a Tesla today, you can lower your average. You can get a Tesla for 656, which is $40, $50 less than you paid on average. Wouldn't that be great? Well, yeah, it'd be great if someone gave me $700, $600 to spend. But I look at that and go, Tesla could be worth $3,000 in 5 years' time. There's plenty more upside than there is downside. So I don't really care if it's 7% down. If I had a big bucket of money right now, if someone gave me, thank you very much. Yeah, it's not so nice with sugar, you know. Tea, I've changed my mind. Yeah, I think I got used to having no sugar. All right. Good morning, Leah. How are you? This is the mystery woman you can't ever see. She's off camera. What? But, babe, just put a hand on the camera. No, keep walking in. Oh, she's gone. Trying to get Leah's hand on the camera. She's very shy. She won't come on camera. There you go. Tesla is up 1.28. So basically, I'm just holding because if someone gave me $50,000 now, cash, to spend, or even $5,000, all right, I would buy more. I absolutely would. If I had $5,000 right now on hand, I would buy all the stocks I've already got where they are today. Absolutely 100%. Yes, I would. If I had $5,000 right now, I would buy. If I had $500 right now, if anybody wants to give me a tip, by the way, I would split my $500 or whatever I had right now with all these companies. Absolutely, I would. But I don't. So I can't. Let's have a look. Market, this is just the beginning, Moe Miller says. The next 2 weeks will be critical. Mr. Clockwork says, if you have done your homework the right way and believe in your company, then you should start buying. Well, I am buying. I have been buying, but I haven't got any more money left. So that's the thing. Afternoon, folks. Made some cash today on UK FTSE. Dark Trace, 2 days running a Glencore today. Didn't eat running, and Glencore today didn't help. I've been out on a boat all morning with American tourists. That sounds nice. Me too. What will be the first you buy? What would be the first thing I'd buy? Because the markets are a little bit wobbly, let's put it that way, I would probably buy, if I had $500 right now, I would probably buy the S&P 500. And the reason for that is I would diversify my risk. I get a dividend, which is useful. And I would increase this being the biggest part of my portfolio. Right now it's 20.5%. So it's I think it is the biggest part of my portfolio. That's what I would do. If I had $5,000, I'd buy a few other things. But if I only had $500, I would buy the S&P 500 right now. Because it spreads risk, it gives me a dividend. Historically, I'm backed by history. I buy great companies. I buy Tesla. I buy Apple. I buy Microsoft. I buy all the great companies that are the most resilient to inflation, the most resilient to price drops. So that's what I would do if I had $500 right now. We're at 1.67. We've got 8 minutes to go before the bell. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up as well. Let me welcome all our guests over there on TikTok. Thanks for joining me. Buy the dips or stocks or crypto. Buy the dips on stocks. Buy the dips on stocks or crypto. It depends on your balance of your portfolio. How much money have you got invested? What's the balance of it? You know, you need a balanced portfolio. I don't think it's the right thing to do to buy everything on one thing. Right, Queen of Self-Braiding has just reported BSV is on fire. Shall we have a look? Ethereum is up 5.6. BTC is up 2%. BSV is pumping at the moment. Well, it's down 1.86. Queen, what's your Handcash app handle? There you go. What would be the first thing you will do when cash out? What would be the first thing you will do when you cash out at a substantial amount? Well, I have an exact plan. I came in the market a year ago. That was my misfortune. Came in at the worst time as it was approaching a top, and then we dumped it all, right? Came in at the worst time, but on the other hand, I've learned a lot. Oh, and I'm looking at the poll right now, and we're starting to get more people say yes. It's starting to level out. We've had it's starting to show more yeses that we've hit a bottom. Interesting. Okay, keep the poll running. I have an exact plan. I plan to grow my portfolio to $200,000. I was hoping 100,000 by end of last year, but with the crash, put pay to that. Grow my portfolio to $200,000 and then move more and more into dividend stocks, which pay a good amount, less risk dividend stocks, more into VU, that kind of thing, and then basically leave it. This is not money I need. This will be my pension. I'm 53 years old, so when I need the money, and as a YouTuber, I may never retire. But if I need an income, I'll have the dividend payouts. I will reinvest the dividend payouts as I do now. And then after a while, I will start taking those dividends and live on that. And as I get to like maybe 70, 75, maybe then I'll sell the whole thing and live on a beach. That's kind of my plan. And I'm sticking to that. Monthly, quarterly, doesn't really matter if you manage your money correctly. Doesn't really matter. All right. Martin, when do you think SPC will announce any good news? The good news can come at any time. Now we are halfway through the year. At the end of this year, we're expecting our first flights. So at any time, there will be an announcement that the flight is going to kick off, who's bought the ticket, what's going on. So at any time, some good news could come. So, and once it does, it's too late. Once it does, it's too late. So you got to decide now, is Virgin Galactic space tourism a great thing? Do you love it? Do you want to be involved in it? Have they got enough money to keep going? I believe they have. Are they the right choice for the customer? I believe they are. I think Richard Branson knows exactly how to market this. People love the brand of Virgin. I think absolutely yes. You should be in the stock. You could buy, if you've not got in it already and you've got money on hand, this is when you should be buying it. I've already got 1,500 shares. I've already got, a good average. I don't need to buy any more. It would overbalance my portfolio. I shouldn't have more in Virgin than I do in S&P 500. That would be imbalanced. I'm 1,800 shares in at 10.67. Wow. You've got a decent amount. As you can see, I've got 1,500. 1,800 is good. Robinhood or Space? Space. Space, definitely. Definitely. I think the road to profitability is easier for Space to achieve than Hood to achieve right now. Done it. Seen it work out for others many times. What is that, Darren? What are you replying to? The Vanguard S&P 0.72. Up 0.66. We've got a minute to go. A minute to go. Get ready. Trandat has just come in. Bitcoin SV. What's your point today? What would you like to say about Bitcoin BSV? What's your comment you'd like to make? Here comes the market open. 1 minute to go. Here we go. Let's see what happens right now. This could be a pump and dump morning. Let's go. 1 minute. And we're up 1.27. Virgin Galactic is up 2.3. Virgin Orbit is up 2.17. Tesla is up 1%. Rivian is down 0.56. Lucid is up 1.29. Arrival is up 4%. Amazon is up 0.64. 20 seconds to go. Apple is up 0.89. All these stocks now are just heading down. Are we going to end up with a red day or a green day? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. The bell has gone. And where are we heading this morning? All right, the overall portfolio is still up. If we look, you can see we're just overall we are up 0.99. And what is trading this morning? What is moving this morning? We're holding at 0.99. Let's go across and see. We're still green. Not much selling off at the moment. Give it a minute. Looking encouraging so far. No one sells out at this point. This could be the bottom. If nothing goes down now, and it sits here for a while, calmly, see if it shoots up too quick, that could be a pump and dump. But if it sits here for a while, and then starts to slowly edge up, that could be good. Have we reached a bottom? Loaded yesterday. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. Johnson & Johnson. The overall portfolio is still up. 0.51. It's just edging back. Will it stay green? Google is up. Microsoft is up. It's got a hold. Nice and steady. Not a pump and dump, but just a steady calmness to the market right now. Just a steady calmness. Tilray, things are all slowly moving up. We're still up 0.86. I like it. Not that much volatility. It looks calm. Get a sense of calmness. If it goes red, then obviously we know we've not reached the bottom, but a sense of calmness right now. Okay. Tesla just dropping still holding up though. We're still positive on the day. Go back to the main position. You'll see. Still positive. How long will it hold for? And will it hold? Maybe it will. Let's go to our crypto and look. Ethereum is up 5.52. BTC is up 2%. BSV is down 1.49. Mark Forge is down 0.75. And we are all calm. Absolutely right. Not buying. Says Caden Youngquist. Joby Aviation just started to drop. Have we reached the bottom? 67% say no. The no's are starting to fall. Ginkgo Bioworks dropping back a bit. Tilray Brands is up 2.7. 3.48. We are holding, and it's quite a calm start to the day. Yep. What we want to see is not a massive rally, because that looks like a pump and dump, right? What we want is a nice, steady, it holds, and then it slowly goes up. That's what I want to see. And if we get that, that will tell me maybe we are at bottom. We are officially in a bear market. I brought the video out last night. You all saw it. And could we get 30 likes, please? Could we get five more likes? If you're watching the show, help me get to 30. Right. We're still holding. Are we going to be green? Don't regret, Caden. It's early days yet. I bought more Virgin Galactic. I bought more VU. Right. Okay. Here we go. This would signify we're not hitting the bottom yet. Okay. We're giving it up now. It held for a moment. Calm enough for 2 minutes of beautiful music, maybe. I did it yesterday, but it's a perk of being a member, Darren. There are two ways that we do this. All right, I do perks for my members. So if you'd like to be a member of our channel, you can be a member from a couple of bucks a month, and there are many perks. Celebrate your birthday, 20-minute fundraisers, exclusive content, access to Discord with all the benefits. If you're a silver member, you can have your own channel, so you can talk all day on Discord to our angel investors, secret millionaires about BSV or any of your interests. We put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel if you wish me to grow your channel. Many perks. But also, if you're not a member, what people can do is they tip me. They go into the super chat, or you can tip me through BSV if that's what you want to do. $10, and the reason why it's $10 is because it covers the copyright. So as soon as I play some music on my show, I will lose my ad revenue for that show. And at the moment, that's about how much I get after all the bits come out and so on. So by giving me a tip, it replaces what I would have earned. If you give me more than that, I make a profit. But if you give me less than that, I lose money. So that's how it works. It's a perk of listening to you. Well, it's my pleasure. Right, now then, for a moment we dipped, but it's starting to come up. It's still quite calm at the moment. I'm glad. I'm glad I'm in the S&P 500. I'm glad I'm in all my stocks. I wouldn't be in them otherwise. But this is not a time, I don't feel, to buy more. I secretly talk to myself, hey, Darren, I do it all the time. It's no secret either. It's no secret. I'm doing it right now. There's no one here. I'm in the studio by myself. Just got asked a question on TikTok. How's crude oil doing? I'm not actually in crude oil at all. I don't invest in it because I don't like it. I only invest in things I like, believe in, use, want, feel it's good for the future, long term. That way I'm happy and relaxed, and I'm not fearful. I'd be fearful to own oil. I mean, if I was just all about making money, then great, buy oil. Oil's up. But oil, it's the past. The future is solar, wind, EVs. So I'm not really interested in oil. So I don't want to ride the oil train. I don't want to be involved in oil. I don't want to be part of it. So I don't know. Right, it tried to go down a couple of times, and it might even do that. But it's trying to hold. JP Morgan downgrades Coinbase. Says company will struggle to turn a profit in the crypto downturn. No surprise there then. Thank you for that information, Paul. Oh, wow, fantastic. We've got 30 likes now. 30 likes, 30 watching. Brilliant. Awesome stuff. Right, day trader of the day coming up in 20 minutes. Later on today, it's our cash giveaway video will come out. Good day all. Investing in my garden now. Lovely stuff. He's investing in his garden. Darren, would love you to, if you came over to Discord, I don't know if you've used it yet, but we'd love to know about your garden stories. We've got several members, silver members that is. They have their own channels and they share their life. We've got Bill with his drone. It's called Bentley the dog. He's got his dog and he's got his drones. We've got a lot of members with their own channels. Get involved, be part of our family. And it's the members that support the live shows. We wouldn't be here otherwise. Mr. Clock, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Then you. I'm not sure what that means. So let's go through the stocks again, see where we are. It's still holding up. Are we going to end up with the green here today? Now, 70% now have said we have not hit bottom. Okay, here we go. We've just turned red, that horrible red colour. Let's come back in. But each day, what we want to see is the down days get less. We've had 10%, 10%. I'm in Discord. Are you in Discord now? Are you in Discord? Oh, I see. Is that you? Is this you on Discord? Is this you on Discord? Let me share with you. Is this you? If this is you on Discord, at the moment, as a non-YouTube member, is this you? I use BSV. Is that you? You can't see these channels. You can't phone in, which is the broadcast lounge. You can't see these channels, and you can't. These are all the members, all the data. You can't see these. So at the moment, you see these channels, right? The public channels. You see all these. That's what you see. You can't see these down here. If you become a member, even a bronze member, then you'll get to. I basically click on here and make you a member, and then you see all the other channels. But it's a member. It's one of the 20 members perks that we have. Anyway, any members today? Is any member's birthday to celebrate today? Remember, it's for you or a loved one. If it's your mum, your dad, your brother, anybody in your family, we support them by making them a happy birthday video, which they can get to keep on their own YouTube channel as well. For our members, let me know. Right, okay, here we go. We're down 0.76. So no, we've not reached bottom. And it depends. Today we're looking for, what we want to see today is a downturn of just 1% or 2%. Then the market is slowing down. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see another 10% day. We do not want to see that. Yes, that was you, Darren. Cool. The S&P is up 0.19. Virgin Galactic is still green today. Virgin Orbit is up 2.54. Tesla is down 0.88. There you go. This is why I didn't buy this morning. All right, we've just hit a 1% mark now. We've just hit the 1% mark now. There we go. We don't want it to keep going down. We've had 10% now many times. Lucid's now $16. Arrival 1.51. Amazon down 0.24. Apple down 0.05. Robinhood down. McDonald's is up 1.27. Coca-Cola down 0.85. Johnson & Johnson down 0.25. Okay, we'll check it out. Thank you very much. Here is the invitation to join. Rang 101 is here. Good morning, RAMG. I've seen Ram 101 on my on Twitter. I want to welcome Ram 101. Welcome to you. As you can see, we're down 1.55. So no, we've not hit bottom. It's getting worse. Ethereum is up 3.38. These are my 3 cryptos. These are what I have. I only share with you what I have. Up 0.43 BTC, and BSV is down 4%. Mark Forge is down 14% now. Fallen off a cliff this morning. It will bounce at any moment. That's what Mr. Clockwork thinks. I don't know. We are asking you this morning. 74% now. Easy to vote now. You've seen it, right? Very easy to vote now. Thank you very much indeed. We've got 31 watching, 31 likes. There we go. We're the most engaging channel on YouTube. That's official, by the way. If you go and check our analytics with other YouTube channels, we have a fantastic engagement rate. We're small, but everybody gets involved on this channel, and that's what you want. And our aim is to grow and create the best YouTube channel in the world. That's what we are aiming to do. I want to welcome our TikTokers this morning. We've got a great audience with us. Thank you very much. Thanks to Rob and Alex for liking our video and helping us grow. We've got our TikTok army over there with you. We've got a cash giveaway coming up on Friday. Every week, I give away my own money, and sometimes our sponsors do. Sometimes our sponsors will give away a BSV or whatever, and we do that. It's free to enter, free for all. We do it every Friday. We sometimes do it during shows as well. Somebody might come on and say, "Hey, I'll give $10 on hand cash," or someone will say, "I'll give away a BSV." We get it all the time, and you get all the money. I get nothing. I get no commission. I don't get paid to do it. I take nothing from it. All I want to do is grow the best YouTube channel in the world. That's here to help people. That's it. All right. So if you want to be part of it, it's youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. Come and join us. So I'm over from TikTok and I'd like to be part of the family. I'd like to talk to the secret millionaires. I would like to talk to angel investors. And I'd like to be in the draws for all the free Bitcoin giveaways, the hand cash giveaways, whatever it might be. We do all of that. So please do join us. And we're live every day. 10 hours a day we're live on YouTube. And over 20 different platforms all at the same time. Let's have a look. Rob McLean has said, Darren Cromley, what do you use BSV for? There we go. Got the conversation there. Darren, come back and answer. Right then. We are getting a little bit of a bounce. Mr. Clockwork called it. Only a bit. But let's have a look. The S&P is holding up. Virgin Galactic is down 1.1. Virgin Orbit is up 2%. Tesla is down 1.2. These are much, much, much smaller dips this morning. Much, much smaller dips. So we are approaching the bottom. We are closer to the bottom now by a long way than the top. No question about that. I use. Oh, hello. We've got another account here. I think this was Darren's other account. I use BSV. I use it for development of new business ideas. Oh, there we go. That's interesting. And for those of you who are thinking about being a member to the channel, you support my live shows. And members, what we do, we put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. This is what we do here. And if you're a silver member or upwards, I will make you a testimonial video, do all the work for you, make the video, promote it, put it on your channel if you make me a member, make me a manager of your YouTube channel. I do it for channels all over the world. We had a new one yesterday. Did you see? A new member came in yesterday. The women of BSV. They are now featured on the homepage of my YouTube channel. And I will make them a video, post it to their channel. And during my live shows, everybody will watch it during the live show. And all my members do support everyone. It's what we do. We're committed to helping everyone. And if I ask my members to come out of my show and watch a premiere video for the women of BSV, they all will watch it and comment and like and engage. So everybody wins, everybody grows together. It's what we do. The bottom is in for me. There we go. 76% say no, which means 24 believe the bottom is here. It's trying to bounce back now. The S&P is coming up quite quickly. Virgin Galactic is down 5.59. Virgin Orbit is up 2.76. Tesla is up 1.16. Rivian is down 1.8. Rob McLean is asking Darren, has got more examples of how he uses it. He wants to know specifically. So that'd be good. at least a temporary bottom, and in the next 2 weeks we'll find out. Yes, of course we will. Lucid is coming up. Arrival, we're getting this little blip off the bottom. It's taken years to get this to this point in time. A solid, scalable blockchain will revolutionize. Well, we certainly hope so. That's what we're all looking for. Now then, sad to say, it's going back down again. It didn't last for very long. We're down now 1.93. It didn't bounce back. Still weak. So we haven't reached the bottom. This is why I'm not buying this morning. I'm not trading either. I'm not selling in anything either. And remember, some of these companies will go out of business now. If their prices go down too low, they won't be able to raise any money. If they dilute the stock to raise money, they will lose money that way. Their shareholders won't be happy. So don't think because something is cheap, it's good value. Cheap and value are very different things. Joby Aviation down 2.28. I use Open Door is down 3.49, 10% now. Ginkgo Bioworks, 28% now. Down. Tilray Brands, 27% down now. Trying to come up, but so weak. It's got no energy behind it anymore. Tesco's down 0.67. This is good for the dividend. Target holding up, and Walmart, my two supermarkets. Crypto is crashing. Gold has stalled and stocks got hammered. And the question is, where is the money going since we have inflation? Sure, cash is king, but not for long. I use BSV as combatant said, most real-world products that need inventory controls, etc. There we go. This is the comments that are coming in from I use BSV. Don't forget, members can call in. Is the green room open? Let me see if anybody wants to call in. Right, the green room, the broadcast lounge is open. If you want to call in, members only, you can call in and have your say. If you're not yet a member, here is the invitation to join. If you're over on TikTok and you want to call into the show, over on YouTube now, I'm opening up a broadcast lounge. You can actually call in. Call in, be live on the show, have your say. It is for members only, though. And the reason why it's members only is not to make me rich. It's a couple of bucks a month. It's nothing. The reason why I do it is that we don't have idiots supporting the show, because people who don't want to pay a couple of bucks, who obviously, and still want to call in and still want to get involved, are obviously not real people, and bots and scammers and stuff like that, whereas real investors have no issue with $2 a month to be a member of and support a channel. So there you go. Down 1.15. Was trying to come up again. The S&P's holding up reasonably strong. Fasten your seatbelts. What are you expecting? A big bounce right now? It's weak. Virgin Galactic is trying to come up. 5.62. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. Down 0.72. Good times are coming. When it rains, what comes next? The sunshine. The dead cat is bouncing. The dead cat is bouncing. It's trying to. It's trying to. Let's check our crypto right now. 1,200 Ethereum is coming up now. Just bought SPCE, 200 shares. Carlos, fantastic. Good luck to you. at 5.59 and you're making profit on it now. So you have a choice. You have a choice now. You are in profit. You could sell those immediately. Sell that lot you just bought there. Remember the FIFO rule, depending on what brokerage you use. Sell those and make a profit. Or hold them because you feel 5.59 is ridiculous and I'm going to sell them at 30, 40, 50, all the way to 100. Now 2,000 shares of SPCE. Congratulations, Carlos. Now, Carlos, you might be interested to know I'm planning on going to the spaceport in the UK and the spaceport in the US to make a film and interview key members of Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. I have a project on Kickstarter, which I funded mainly myself, family and friends, and I just need a bit more money to be able to finish the project. And I'm starting a Kickstarter campaign as soon as I feel I've got enough people to support me. It has to end, though. It has to end in about, I think, 4 weeks. I've already set the end date. But I want to get funded in 1 hour so I can go viral on Kickstarter. Here it is. If you're interested in Virgin Galactic and you'd like to be at the spaceport with me, be involved in the making of the film, have your credits, your name credited on the video, be live from the event, live from Virgin Galactic, live from Virgin Orbit. There is my Kickstarter in the chat. Click on it, and what you will see when you get there is you'll see this here. I have 13 people following it now for the pre-launch. This is what you'll see. And what you do is click on notify me on launch. And the moment I think I've got enough people to pull it off within an hour, I go. Because if I can get funded within an hour, I will go viral on Kickstarter, and that will grow our campaign. But more importantly, it'll grow our YouTube channel. And so for space fans, if you're interested, there it is right now. I don't want to keep repeating myself, so I'm just going to say this once. All right, I'm in conversation with Alex Agut, who is the developer of Handcash, and I want to do a video on it and talk about it. But as I've told you before, the app isn't fully working. It's got a couple of glitches on it. And I'm not going to talk about it until it works perfectly, because I can't promote something that I cannot use perfectly 100%. And when it does, and Alex said he's fixing it, when it does, I'll be all over it. Because it looks potentially like a great thing. But it has to work for me perfectly. Otherwise, I can't talk about it. So let's leave the Handcash constant conversation until I can support it and fully endorse it and fully back it. I've got to be able to use it perfectly. And the app is glitching. It's got errors on it at the moment. So I know that's not good publicity for Handcash, but I don't care. I can only tell the truth. I want to talk about it if it's great. And I believe it could be great once it works on my app. And when it does, I will talk about it and promote it. So let's leave that. We've been discussing it now for 2 days. Until I can get it to work perfectly, then we'll talk about it. I'm sure I will, Ramg. When it works, I'm sure I will. I would love it if I could withdraw to my bank or my debit card. That's what Paul says. Peru, check Discord. S&P 500. Right, now we are green. We are green, 0.5. S&P 500 is up 0.67. Virgin Galactic is up 1%. Now then, how aggressive is this bounce going to be? Virgin Orbit is up 1.8. Let's go, good people. Tesla is up 0.84. Rivian, 1.53. Lucid, 0.15. Arrival. Roller coaster is open. I like that. Very, very good. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up very shortly as well today, live on the show. This is looking green now. How long will it last? Amazon is just struggling. Some people say it's going to go to $80. What do you feel about that? Let's see. We are now at 3,410 subscribers. We're growing again. When we hit 5,000, Greg Dickerson is coming on our show. When we reach 10,000, there's a big surprise. A big surprise coming at 10,000, of course. You all know about that. And we've also got the 1-year-old birthday in 12 days, 22 hours, 29 minutes. 1 year of the channel. Would love to hit 5,000 time we get on our birthday. I don't think that's really likely, but you never know. All right, we're at 1.12. Good morning, market profit. We've been asking the question, have we reached the bottom? 78% say no. But it has been getting less. I think the poll is the yeses are getting less. Sorry, more, I beg your pardon. Please welcome my friend, my brother, the one and only Market Profit. That sounds like an entrance. Welcome, Market Profit. That was great. You gave such an intro there, I thought it required some music. So there we go. I like that. That's the Market Profit theme tune. That was great. We'll make Market Profit famous. Do not run. He will be more positive. Right. 1.29 is up. Let's have a look. Ethereum up 5.97. I have a very small stake in it. BTC up 2.23. I have a very small stake in it. Very small. My biggest stake now is in BSV, and it's down 1% at the moment. Now here, joining the YouTube crew, ETORO. Hey! He's come over from Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. Part of the gang, part of the family. How are you, ETORO? Lovely to have you here. So here's the things you missed while you were away. All right, let me first of all give you the Discord link. I couldn't give you all that over on Twitch. There's the Discord link. There it is. I posted it 3 times in the chat. There you go. We also have if you'd like to be a member of our channel and receive all the perks and benefits, there are 20. Nearly everyone who watches our channel is a member. You can see we're one of the most engaging YouTube channels there is. People watch 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night, 5 days a week, and nearly everyone's a member. The membership is what supports the live shows. It's how we fund it. I make hardly any money at all from the live shows. It's the videos that make money, all right? And in return, you get to go on my homepage of my YouTube channel. You get exclusive content. You get replies to all your comments on YouTube. I make you a video if you're a silver member and post it to your YouTube channel. You go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. You can have a 20-minute fundraiser. We've raised over $1 million for charities in our show. I take nothing from it. I don't charge anything for it. It's free money to everybody. All right, there you go. So there's that. There's the invitation to join. And would love to welcome you as a member. But now you're here, though. Give us a subscribe, ring the bell. You've done that, and give us a thumbs up. That'd be absolutely fantastic if you wouldn't mind doing that. So I'd like everyone to welcome ETORO. Actually, he's been over there on Twitch for quite a while, supporting our Twitch campaign. And let me welcome you all in. So everybody, please put your cities and countries in. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. There we go. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I do live concerts, live music in this channel, in this studio, and we've raised over $1 million for our members here in this studio. And this screen here is what my TikTokers, they're on a phone here looking at this screen, and this is our studio. So welcome to you. And there you go. Thank you very much for being here. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in? He's been a great support over there on on Twitch. So I'm actually from, the studio is in Texas, Dallas, Texas, and I'm originally from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. So thank you very much, ETORO, for being here. Would all our members please put your cities and countries in and welcome ETORO in. He's been doing a great job over there on Twitch. Paul, Arrival to the Moon. Let's have a little look. What's Arrival doing today? Arrival is up 3.38. There we go. I bought more of it. I've got 428 shares of it now. I'm down 16% at the moment. Not buying any more. Make sure you like and subscribe. All the lazy people out there watching this channel, please hit, please say something. Yeah, lazy people. We talk about it a lot. What we mean by lazy people, Peru is one of our angel investors. And the reason why we talk about lazy is, you may wonder why we bang on about being lazy. The reason we talk about it is because on this channel, I go live every day to help people. It's what I do. I've raised over $1 million for my members in this studio. You keep all the money. I take nothing in return. And I'm here to help people. This channel is not to make me rich. I want to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, which serves you. It's why I'm always live, why I don't make hundreds of videos all the time. Live is more engaging. It's more beneficial to you, whereas videos makes me money. All right, so I go live because it's best for you, right? And every day I get begging letters from people saying, would you give me some money? Would you give me money? And I go, yeah. I reply to everybody. I go, yeah, all you got to do is come and join me on YouTube. And we do fundraisers. We do cash giveaways all the time. Just come and join me. It's free. You don't have to even be a member to be in the cash giveaways. And they go, well, what have I got to do? I go, just come and join me on YouTube. Oh, I don't want to that. Can you give me money? I go, well, I'm only asking you to watch my YouTube channel. Oh, no, can you give me money? And I go, bugger off. You're a lazy person. You'll never achieve anything because you won't get off your arse and do anything. And I'm not even asking you to come around the house and power the studio by riding a bike and charge up the electric. I'm asking you just to watch a YouTube channel. They don't even want to do that. And I get hundreds of comments a day, hundreds on TikTok from people saying the same thing. Give me money. And I go, come and watch me on YouTube. No, I don't want to do that. I want to watch you on TikTok, but I want you to give me money. And the same thing again. Bugger off. So there you go. It's ridiculous. Got no time for lazy people. That's what we talk about. That's what we mean by lazy people. Anyone can be successful in life. Anyone. You can measure your own success against yourself, but anyone can be successful if they work hard and commit. And don't overvalue your time. Don't overvalue. Oh, I'm only worth this. I used to get, when I used to sell out theaters around the world, sometimes $20,000, $30,000 when I sell out theater. Does that mean I'm worth $20,000 an hour? That's what I used to get. I sat here for 10 months for free. I wasn't even monetized for 10 months. Nothing. No. You're only as valuable as the audience who are watching you are prepared to pay you. But I knew if I'd sat here for 10 months, I'd get this channel monetized and I would start to slowly earn an income. And now I earn a very, very small income, a few bucks a day. But I'm growing faster and faster and faster every day. I'm prepared to work. And anyone can be successful in the world today. We have so many opportunities. The markets are all there. Anyone can be successful if you get off your arse and do something. But if you moan about it and constantly beg for money, you'll end up with one thing: nothing. So there we go. Mr. Clockworks, only in my opinion, but it's a guess, but BTC will go below 20,000, maybe 17,000, which would be a good spot to start loading up a bit. I think BTC could go a lot lower than that, actually. When the word gets out about BSV to more people, I think, and Michael Saylor selling his Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin can go to zero. I've said it over and over again, but people don't believe me. Smash the like button. Thank you, Queen. Hi, Queen is celebrating. How are you? Greetings from Fife in Scotland. Shall we have a little listen? Hang on a minute. Shall we have a little listen? Let's have a little listen. Let's have a little listen to Rob McLean this morning.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Hey, there we go. What about Dennis Poirier? Dennis, I want to thank you for popping in and watching my video last night on YouTube. I noticed you came in from Canada. Thank you so much indeed. Saw you last night popping on my premiere video. Thank you. There we go. We're getting some welcomes now for ETORO. I'm near the biggest lake in Germany. Ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut. Mein Name ist Martyn Lucas von England und ich am 53 Jahre alt. Ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut, but guten Morgen, ETORO. Mein Name ist Martyn Lucas von England. Welcome to the show. So there we go. That's my little bit of German. I can, there we go. Say a few words. And we got Canada in the house. Bulgaria. Sophia, Mr. Clockwork, Bulgaria. I love Bulgaria. Beautiful place in the world. Mr. Clockwork, Sophia from Bulgaria. I'm in big time with Arrival, says Paul. 5%, Paul, 5% goes to me. What Paul happens to us all? Get off your arse, Martin. There you go. Sergio, spot on. Get off your arse and do something. Stop bloody moaning. Absolutely. No pain, no gain. That's from Mr. Clockwork. Let's have a look. Ask yourself, where is BTC in 2045, if it still exists? 2045, well, I'll be, bloody hell, how old will I be then? 70, I don't really care then, do I? Very nice. Very nice, thank you. Someone posted on Twitter, hang on, let's have a look at this. Someone posted on Twitter, a person sold their Tesla Model S for BTC because he wants to buy the dip. What a stupid moron and uneducated creature on the earth. Oops. That's a strong view. Peru? Oh, God. How to stop myself from risky actions in this market. These markets are scary. Market profit. We want to get your view on the markets this morning. I haven't bought a thing. This morning. I'm down 1% again. And the S&P is holding up better than most, though. That's why the S&P is the biggest part of my portfolio. Diversity is the key right now. See what happened? Pump and dump right now. This is people who are investing in selling straight away. They don't know what they're investing in. That's the trouble. Virgin Orbit, I'm going to the space station. I'm going to go there. Who's going to join me? Who wants to be part of that journey with me? Who wants to help me make a film and interview the people at Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic and actually be live with me at the venue? So many perks for all of you. I have 13 people now following my Kickstarter campaign. As soon as I've got enough where I can fund it within 1 hour, I'm doing it. I'm waiting because I want to go viral on Kickstarter. And to do that, you have to get funded within 1 hour. And I've got 13 people right now ready to go. So if you wouldn't mind, if you want to be part of it, you want to be a backer, you can even just donate $1 if you want. But please be a backer. Help me out to do this so I can bring the truth about Virgin Galactic and Virgin Orbit. I'm going to be right there. I funded it as much as I can myself. I've got 13 followers, as you can see. And the moment I feel I've got enough followers, I will be there. I will pull the pin and I will go for it. And I want to do it in 1 hour. I'm not asking for very much money at all. I funded it most of it myself. But I can't quite finish the campaign on my own. Let's have a look. When I go to the spaceport, could you please tell them that we need their flights this year? I will do. You can put your question to them. I'd like to interview Richard Branson. You can put that question to them if you are a backer of my event. You can talk live on a camera to the team at Virgin Orbit and Virgin Galactic. The first part is going to the spaceport for Virgin Orbit in the UK, and the second part is to the New Mexico spaceport for Virgin Galactic in the US. So there it is. If you'd like to be involved in it, I've given you the link. Virgin Orbit's gone back down again. That's why I didn't just roll it all up this morning. Tesla, 641 right now. I'd like to get the views of market profit. Where does he see the market going today? If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Right, it's time for Day Trader of the Day. So what I want to do is make sure that everybody is up to date. And if you don't know how to do that, whatever device you're looking at, go on, hover over the screen where it says live. And let me show you what this means. This was brought to us by Ali Isles, one of our members. If you scroll over the screen, look, see it says live, whether it's mobile, iPad, computer. If that live, there, look, is red, you are live. If it's grey, you've gone back in time. Look, if I click there, look, I'm now behind. It's grey, see? The live is grey. And all you do is tap the live button and it goes right to the front again, see? If you go behind, right, it's grey. You're not watching the show live. Click live, you're now red. See that? And if you do that, you can be in our competition right now, which is the Day Trader of the Day. Coming up straight after our quick commercial break from our sponsors. We'll be right back in 1 minute from now. All right. Some of you saw the ad, some of you don't. You don't see the ad if you're on a mobile device, or you have premium, or you have ad blocker. Paul just said, comment from Paul, the latest sell-offs in stocks doesn't mark the beginning of a bear market cycle as the US is poised to avoid a recession. JP Morgan's quant guru says, well, we are technically in a bear market now. A bear market is a specific number of days that the S&P is down by, and we are technically in a bear market. That doesn't mean to say everyone's bearish. That doesn't mean to say that it can't go back up. That doesn't mean to say everyone's going to, keep selling off. But we are in a bear market after so many weeks of it being down by the S&P. Yes, we are. So choppy until tomorrow. The Fed will announce that the rate hike. There is talk it'll be 75 basis points. That will likely throw us into an immediate recession. We might get a short-term bounce on Wednesday. Let's hope then it's lower. So, it is what it is. We are where we are. My portfolio is on its arse. Look at that. I came into the market here. I came probably the worst time in history because I didn't come in as COVID hit and the market crashed. That's when I should have come in. I came in a year after COVID when we were all the way up the top. And then ever since then, all the way down. So as you can see, I've lost rather a lot of money. 50% down. Not good. Rubbish. But I always believe you learn in life from the hardship. You don't learn nothing from success. If everyone just gives you free money all over the place and you have no pain, you learn nothing. You learn from the hardship. So right now I'm learning what it feels like to lose all my money. I've learned what it feels like to be margin called. I learned. And I'm not buying anything right now. And it is what it is. We are where we are. The markets won't like a lower rate hike. The markets won't like it. Market profit, this is the most possible scenario. Do you guys think that the Fed could start the printer again? Then how a bounce back? Then how's a bounce back possible? That's total ignorance. That's what he's saying this morning. All right. Okay. Right. Is everybody live right now? I give everyone a chance to watch the ads come back. Is everybody live? Right. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Now then, we've had days where we're down 10%. So far, we're down 1.33. It's better than it has been. I mean, this is like a game of how low can I go. It's not how much money I can make. It's how much money I can lose. Okay, it keeps changing, but there we are, down 1.23. All right, I'm gonna give everybody a minute. Once I post the score, I'm gonna give everybody a minute to post your scores and tell me. You ready? Okay. Here's my score. Brick is down 0.99. Market Peru says, Martin, how about a custom-made T-shirt on your online store saying Market loves BSV? If anyone would buy it, I'll make it. If anybody would buy it, I'd make it. Down 0.99. Bill is down 16.35, down 1.52. So Brick Brack is our winner so far. Up 1.48. Rob McLean is killing it. Rob McLean is up 1.48. Absolutely awesome stuff. Congratulations to Rob McLean today. Have we got any more scores? Thank you very much for your honest trades, Rob. That's great. Absolutely awesome. And thank you very much indeed. Oh, no. Just at the nick of time, we have two more. Carlos Sanchez is up 3.3%. Trandat is up 5%. Bill is up 16%. How on earth are you up 16%? You've only got Virgin Galactic. I'm sorry, Bill. You've only got Virgin Galactic. I can't see how you're up 16%. I know you've only got Virgin Galactic right now. Virgin Galactic is down today, so I don't know how you're up 16%. I'm up 16.35. See message. All right. You've sent me a message. I sold Virgin long ago. Oh, okay. All right. Well, Bill has sent me the proof. Here is Bill. Just want to show everybody right now. He sent me the proof. So here we go. That's incredible. Bill is up 16% today. There he goes. There he is. Bill is the legend. Bloody hell, Bill. You should have your own YouTube show. Bill is up 16% in a market like this. Well, sell it, make some profit. That's what I do. So there we go. Let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Thank you very much. Give him a thumbs up, and also big round of applause. Everyone, congratulate Bill. That's amazing. There we go. Awesome. Wise man Bill wins. There we go. Fantastic. Nice one, Bill. Security. He's not lying. Keep him. Seriously. I'm up because of Oxy. That was Carlos Sanchez. Did well. I'm down 5.04, Mr. Clockwork. Bill. Lie. SC Security. Get him out. Wise man. Security. He's not lying. Keep him. All right. All right, congratulations. I have less than $150 in all my stocks. There we go. All right. He's up, though. It doesn't matter how much money you got, Bill. It's not important. It's the percentages. The world will be better served with one global blockchain, just like we have only one internet. I agree. We discussed it today at the beginning of the show, Otto. We had a very heated debate about that at the beginning. I was talking all about that. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Otto. All right, lovely to have you here. Subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Let's go through our stocks and see where we are right now. All right. This is what the beginning of a multi-year bear market looks like. Lots of chop with a few crash days, a month sprinkled in. Well, that's great. Ain't not much we can do about it then, is there? Ain't much we can do about it. The S&P is holding up. This is why I said if I had $500 today, I haven't got any money. Zero. My only income is on YouTube, and it's a few bucks a day, and it is what it is. So, good afternoon, Eddie Dejaga. I think I pronounced your name right. Eddie Dejaga, how are you this morning? It looks like a BSV fan this morning. How are you? Welcome to the channel. Let me give you a wave. I am from Dallas, Texas. This is my TV studio. There you go. How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome to the show. And lovely to have you here. Eddie the BSV, how are you? Lovely to have you here. This is our position in BSV this morning. We've got Ethereum, not much of it. I've sold pretty much all of it. BTC, pretty much sold all of it. Ethereum, BSV, I have 11 this morning. Obviously, a BSV fan has joined the show this morning. How are you? Lovely to have you here. And would all our guests please welcome Eddie Dejare in. I hope I pronounced that correctly. If you become a member of our channel, you can call in live to the channel through Discord, have your say on the show. You can also talk to our angel investors, secret millionaires, and all the perks and benefits that a member gets. You'll see nearly everybody in our channel is a member, and that's because they get 20 times back what they put in. That's what this channel is about. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, the most honest, real channel in the world, which serves our members. We've raised over $1 million for our members here on the channel. There's an invitation to join, should you wish to join. And our members get cash back from Amazon, many, many, many perks. If you want the all links button, that gives you all the benefits and perks to everything I have. Here is the all links button. If you want to be in on Discord, you can. As a non-member, you'll just see the public channels. As a member, you will get all access to all the channels. If you become a silver member, I give you have your own channel on Discord, so you can grow and promote what it is. Also, my members go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. There you go. The Women of BSV, they're a silver member. They're on the homepage of my YouTube channel. And as a silver member, they also have the privilege of me making them a video, a testimonial video, posting it to their YouTube channel, promoting it, and getting everyone in the show to watch it. It's what we do for all our members. All our members support everyone. It's how we win, it's how we grow, and everyone benefits. So there you go. Maybe consider being a member. Right, we are down at the moment, 1.94. The bounce was very, very quick. It's why I didn't buy in. It's why the markets are very difficult right now. Virgin Galactic is down 0.04 again. Virgin Orbit is down 5% again. And when people say how much lower can it go, it can go all the way to zero. That's how low it can go. So if you think, wow, Virgin Orbit sounds cheap. It's not about cheap. It's not about price. It's about the value. What is the value of this company? What can this company do? And this company putting satellites in orbit. In a very unique way, and only 3 companies in the world are doing it. Is Astra, Virgin Orbit, and who was the other one? There was one other. The name is just gone right now, but I think Virgin Orbit are best placed to do it in the best way. So there you go, Virgin Orbit. All right, we're going to wind up our show right now. I've got some videos to post, our cash giveaways. Every Friday we do a cash giveaway. We're live every morning for the opening and closing bell. We'll be back later on, of course, for the closing bell. So thank you ever so much. Everyone has joined us this morning. Amazon is still going down. Apple is up. Robinhood is down, trying to bounce, but going nowhere. McDonald's is up 0.54. Coca-Cola is down 2.4% right now. Let's bring in some of these comments. Mark, just before we finish, does anyone want to call in and have their say? Any of our members? Let me check the broadcast lounge. This is the broadcast lounge. Is anybody in it right now? No, not at the moment. This is the broadcast lounge. I'll bring it in on the screen for you. There you go. This is where you can call in. There's nobody there right now. So if you call in, you can be live on the show. And do we gain any more subscribers in the last couple of minutes? Let's have a look. 3,410. We were at 3,406, I think, when the show started. There we go. Come on. Not all here. Come on, not all here about. No, we're not. We're not the BSV channel. We are stocks and shares channel, investment and family support, and that's what we do. That's what we do. I might have to leave this channel, Martin. I don't want to be associated with all these crypto scams. I know it's a channel. I know it's your channel, and like the BSV talk, but I can't support it. Goodbye all. We're not supporting BSV. We're not a scam channel. Sometimes I love market profits points, but sometimes market profit gets very aggressive in his opinions. I don't understand it why. I don't know why you do that. I don't know why you'd leave the table when you should always be at the table discussing everything. I don't understand why some people come on the channel and say, I'm leaving the channel because you're not saying what I want you to say. This channel will never be influenced by anyone. And how could anyone say we are the BSV channel? We are the channel for all. We are the channel for truth. We're the channel for honesty. This is my real money. This is my real shares. I'm quite offended, market, by that comment, if I'm honest with you, because I don't think anyone should say, I'm leaving because you talk about one thing when I don't. Because that clearly is suggesting that you want me to talk about what you want to talk about. We talk about everything. We answer all questions, all comments, reply to everyone, show my real portfolio, my real money. That, to me, tells me, and it should tell you, that I'm the most honest channel on YouTube. But no one could come on here and tell me to talk about the one thing they want to talk about, and if I don't talk about it, I'm not being fair. That is trying to manipulate me, and I will not be controlled or manipulated by anyone. At either side of the argument, I'll only promote the truth and open and honest with everyone. So I think that's a very aggressive attitude, actually, market, and I think you'll miss out. You'll miss out because you won't be part of this family anymore. You just said you're leaving. You won't be able to share your opinions. You won't be able to discuss. You won't be able to balance an argument out because you won't be at the table. And I think that's bad. Can you give me Kickstarter link as I can't find it? Thank you, Rob McLean. Thank you so much indeed. Yes, of course I will. Here is the Kickstarter campaign. Here it is. So I think I've explained that fairly, right? Couldn't be more fair. I mean, Market Profit is a member. He pays to be a member. I'm losing someone who gives me money. But that's okay. Because I'm not here for that. Yes, that's a true comment. I'll put that on the screen. Market wants to win all the time. Not going to happen. We are the channel of truth. We are the channel of truth, and all arguments and all discussion comes onto the table, not biased in any way. I haven't really, and this is interesting, Simon Jones, I haven't really enjoyed this channel since Market Profit took over. There we go. That's another argument, another side of it. Yeah, and Martin has 90% of money not in BSV. Exactly. So that was a very biased opinion, very aggressive opinion. This is the channel for truth. If you don't like it, guess what? Too bad. The Queen of Self-Braiding. Market profit come back. If you don't want to talk about BSV, you just don't participate in the talk. Watch and listen or bring up another topic. Well, we're not. The fact of the matter is, he's not even hearing our messages now. So he's not at the table. What good does that do you? None. Zero. You're not at the table anymore. You can't have a say anymore. Pointless. So I don't know if he's listening or not, but I'm just sorry that people are not open-minded enough. You know, it's neither either way to me. Of course, I don't want to lose his support to the channel, but there you go. Tesla is down 0.84 today. I'm going to wrap up the show because I've got some videos to make. We've got our cash giveaway to make. And there we go. Arrival. Amazon. Apple. Robinhood, 0.12. McDonald's up 0.77. Like this morning, I am not in agreement with Martyn when it comes to the blockchain. We all are adults here and have difference of opinions. There we go. Exactly. And I shared your opinion, right? I said what I thought about the blockchain. I said what I thought. You disagreed. I had my say. You had your say. Everyone can discuss it. It's very, very immature to say I'm not even going to be involved if you only talk about this when I don't. And then you don't get what you want. That's ridiculous. But there you go. That's why the world is the way it is. He'll be back. He's going to miss us. Let's see what happens. These coins are technology, but time we treat it as such. There we go. Okay. I'm going to wrap up the show right now. I've got videos to make. I've got things to do to prepare for this afternoon's show. I will end by saying today, you know, I was personally offended by market profits to even suggest what he suggested about this channel. All that tells me is he wishes me to the channel, which he wishes to control the channel the way he wants it to be. And nobody on this channel, none of you will control the channel. I control the channel. You are the foundations of it, and you all have your inputs into this channel. You all have your say on this channel. You all are involved, and everyone has a voice, and no one will be silenced by anyone. And I'm not going to be change that opinion for anyone. Take care. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you this afternoon live back on the Day Trader. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other.